Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on Saturday continued his attack on Election Commission of India, alleging large-scale electoral rigging in 2024 Lok Sabha elections. Citing alleged discrepancies, Rahul Gandhi at the annual Legal Conclave 2025 in Delhi stated that we are going to prove how a Lok Sabha election can be and was rigged. I can say this now because I have 100% proof. This comes a day after his statement that he has uncovered an atom bomb of evidence against Election Commission of India.
Now, you'll be shocked at the amount of detail we've gone into. And you will see, with no doubt, zero doubt, how a Lok Sabha election is stolen. 6.5 lakh voters vote, and 1.5 lakh of those voters are fake. Six and a half lakh voters vote, 1.5 lakh voters are fake. It's on paper. Documentation that we got from the Election Commission. Voter list that we got from the Election Commission. Physical paper. Where we went comparing photograph by photograph by photograph, name by name by name. 6.5 lakh people. Comparing one photograph to 6.5 lakh other photographs. And I'm proud of the work that the Congress party did. And you will see the shockwave that is going to go through the electoral system when we release this data. It's literally like an atom bomb. Because the truth, my friends, is that the election system in India is already dead.
Your report, News Now.